Hello again. It's Jeff with CenterBeam, and we're at a home that we just finished a couple items in. If you're a homeowner nowadays, there are some questions you have in your mind as to where do I start? How do I get through this? And what might be the steps coming up to the project you want to do in your house, whether it's going to be an addition, whether it's going to be just a remodel. You just never know. We're coming up on a project we finished, so we can find out what they think and kind of get their idea on things. So come on in, we'll see how it goes, or how it went, per se. There are many questions we get from other homeowners is, what's the process through this whole deal?
Once we decided on CenterBeam, which we chose you guys because you did a fantastic job on our friend's house, so then we spent a long time in the design process. And then once the work starts, just clear out of the way. That's the thing. And then be prepared for the things that are inevitably going to come up in an 80, 90-year-old home. I think in our minds, we wanted to be done by Christmas, so when our kids came in, So.
Which worked out beautifully, done by Christmas.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Did they see a huge difference when they came?
Impressed. Impressed would be one word jumps out at me.
And what they really can't believe is the kitchen, which we did not expand, right? All we did was take one wall down, combine these two rooms, and everybody will bet money that we expanded somehow.
My favorite would be, and there's a lot to choose from, would probably be the master bathroom. There was a lot done, and thanks to Jennifer's design, it's really turned out really well. And we have now a walk-in shower, and we have all tile around the whole, the shower and the toilet area there. And just really pleased with it. Beautiful cabinetry. Farmhouse sink, of course. Yeah. The brass fixtures all throughout. Mm-hmm. So yeah, it's turned out really well.
So my favorite today, because it changes every day, my favorite today is the half bath. I just think it's so cute, and we found the brick back of the house when we were doing the demo. So we were able to incorporate that into the design, and we had to change so many things on the fly that it was really like, is it going to, work out? And I just think it's so adorable.
I mean, could not be more pleased with the craftsmanship. I mean, the quality of the work has been outstanding. Their professionalism, working with them, have nothing but good things to say.
And then inevitably, when issues came up, very easy to work through those issues.
So listen, thanks for your time. We really appreciate you coming and joining in with us, seeing the customers, and hopefully you get yet another view of what it'll take to get through the process, who you'll be working with. Me, might have a little more beard, but maybe a little less. Christina and I can't thank you guys enough for coming and seeing us. And like I said, if you ever need anything, give us a call. Go to the website. I'm sure there's a number or two below us, maybe a smoke signal like we've said before. Get a hold of us if we can ever do anything for you, or if you just want some questions answered in the process of what it's going to take to get something done to your house. We certainly appreciate the time to talk to you. So have a great day. Take care.